Good morning, students. Today I want to solve some problem based on continuity. So exercise 5.1. First question: prove that function fx equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, and x equal to 5. So 3 points given at which we have find continuity of function. So first of all, taken x is equal to 0. So left hand limit, first of all find left hand limit. Left hand limit of a function f x as x tends to 0 negative equal to limit h tends to 0 f left hand limit. So 0 minus h equal to limit as h tends to 0 f 0 minus h, this function. So 5, put x is equal to 0 minus h. So 0 minus h minus 3, we get limit h tends to 0 minus 5h minus 3. On putting the value of h, we get minus 3. So left hand limit is equal to minus 3. Now find right hand limit. So limit of fx as x tends to 0 positive equal to limit h tends to 0 f0 plus h equal limit h tends to 0 0 plus h, put the value of 0 plus h in this. 5 0 plus h minus 3. So we get limit as h tends to 0 5h minus 3, put the value of h. So we get left hand limit is equal to minus 3. Value of function at x equal to 0. So f0, value of function at x is equal to 0, put x equal to 0 in given function. So 5 into 0 minus 3, we get 5 into 0 means 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. Here we see at x equal to 0, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of function at x equal to 0. All are equal. So function is continuous at x equal to 0. At x is equal to minus 3. So left hand limit is equal to limit of fx as x tends to minus 3 negative. This can be written as limit of f minus 3 minus h from left side, where h tends to 0 equal to limit h tends to 0 fx 5x minus 3. So f minus 3 minus h, 5 minus 3 minus h minus 3 equal limit h tends to 0 minus 15 minus 5h minus 3. So limit h tends to 0 minus 18 minus 5h. On putting values of h, limiting values of h, minus 18 minus 0 is equal to minus 18. So left hand limit is equal to minus 18. Now find right hand limit. So limit of fx as x tends to minus 3 positive, this can be written as limit of f minus 3 plus h, where h tends to 0 equal to limit h tends to 0 5 x means minus 3 plus h, minus 3 plus h minus 3 equal to limit as h tends to 0 minus 15 plus 5h minus 3 equal to limit as h tends to 0 minus 18 plus 5h equal to, on putting the value of h, we get minus 18. Value of function at x equal to minus 3, f minus 3, value of function here. So 5 minus 3 minus 15 minus 3 equal to minus 18. Here left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of function at minus 3, all are equal. So function is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, we can find continuity of function at x is equal to 5. Now next question, taken question number 6. If fx is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less or equal to 2, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Here we find all point of discontinuity. It is clear from given function, this is polynomial function, so polynomial function continuous at every point, and this is also polynomial function, so continuous polynomial function is continuous at every point. The behavior of function change at point x equal to 2. It is clear from given data. Behavior of function change at x equal to 2. So we find given function is polynomial function which is continuous at every point in its domain, point x equal to 2. So left hand limit of fx as x tends to 2 negative, limit of 2 minus h as x tends to 0 equal to limit h tends to 0, f2 minus h, 2 minus h means less than 2 means this function, so 2x means 2 minus h plus 3 equal to limit as h tends to 0, 2 minus h means 2 to the 4 minus 2h plus 3, we get limit h tends to 0, 7 minus 2h, on putting value of h we get 7. Right hand limit of fx as x tends to 2 positive equal to limit h tends to 0, f 2 plus h equal to limit h tends to 0, 2 plus h means greater than 2, so for x is greater than 2, fx is equal to 2x minus 3 means this function, so 2 plus h minus 3 equal to limit as h tends to 0, 4 plus 2h minus 3, so equal to limit as h tends to 0, 1 plus 2h, on putting value of h 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So here left hand limit at x equal to 2 is not equal to right hand limit at x equal to 2. Function is discontinuous at x equal to 2. Find all point of discontinuity at of function f where fx is equal to mod x upon x if x is not equal to 0 and fx is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. So here behavior of function change at point x equal to 0. So we find limiting value of function and value of function at point x equal to 0 because function behavior change at point x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, left hand limit is equal to limit of fx as x tends to 0 negative equal to limit h tends to 0, f 0 minus h, so limit h tends to 0, f 0 minus h means less than 0. In case of x less than 0, this function, so mod 0 minus h upon x means 0 minus h, so mod 0 minus h means h upon minus h, h cancel, we get minus 1, so left hand limit is equal to minus 1. Now find right hand limit, so limit of fx as x tends to 0 positive is equal to limit f 0 plus h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h means greater than 0, so in this case fx is equal to mod x upon x, so mod 0 plus h upon 0 plus h, so limit h tends to 0, h by h equal to 1. Here left hand limit at x is equal to 0 is not equal to right hand limit at x equal to 0, means left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, so function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Thank you.